अपने YouTube ते channel to खोले लुशे. You want to be a content creator, but you don't have any idea how YouTube algorithm works. Itu problem face grass of little. Itu content brand new content in a brand new channel. Itu apni garne right to nam which ideas. Itu YouTube algorithm is different from any other kinds. Sabi YouTube algorithm with kia little. The engine behind every recommendations apni laka video viral gruvole lakat. Tricks iktase YouTube apni video upload kar them de gru wala go ito. Itu na zani ginap ni mishamshi upload grade issue ito. Apni la videos viral nobo views binavavo comments likes ito one kunavavo original list subscribe gru wala manokan bin na pawajo. Apni bikal di gru wala mon na wala do ito video pal rasa gubi into video ektar video hali nan sabi bidu kinika viral oijo. Itu arne apni site agree moy in brief detail, I explain credible with some example. YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, one of the most powerful social media platform right now. Itu tinda social media eptom one power reduce usually it provides lots of revenue. But one video side YouTube video side mohan manohala kiman video side tahan iman pushaka mai. Amni itu janiasina mai kali manukhan mafanda side tag. YouTube algorithm kiniga kam grip we na amdi kan ke explain grid wuli garnim with our YouTuber la example organize nakalended dreams unlimited with 11.4 lakh subscriber. Northeast India de usually with Dibupura from Assam with 33.9 lakh subscriber. India de usually D series with 31.1 crore subscriber. Purat dunia de usually means peace with 48.2 crore subscriber. Do itu handu ji grigina man chuli groishi. Iman taon or shitan. Amit jani wala munjay. Jalo Ivy Mohan YouTube lava algorithm do kinika kam gri winasasawo. Itu asi YouTube lava algorithm dai kinika kam gri. Mon saisabo itu channel apni laga channel letorwo. Itu amni laga homepage si yade amni banner hadiwo barwo. Yade amni lava logo hadiwo, channel name hadiwo, or channel description yade diwo bayamo. Description de kali manakan ge welcome do ribe. Apni lava channel do ki asi itu describe greatery. Kunbodo inyad pabidagwo YouTube gushule de kali video site go Gana hunidagu news so alap manokan la vlog han gigi saidagu itunuwe. Mohan bi idea share berjule. Paul video hali shule. Mohan la community build group aro. Audience growth which means you will get more views. Aro apni YouTube de upload gri rita shule do. Amni na audience shikro hobo amila channel tower hobo. At last you can generate the loads of revenue which results in earning. YouTube algorithm laha itu first step ase. YouTube algorithm kinakamgre amnila a video viral grule amnila channel grow hole garne apni subscriber lagi views lagi amnila a videos barata share rile pal amnila video de shi comments ile pal do geek rile palawo do IB mohan size of second step of YouTube algorithm mohan ti grow lagi so that our channel will grow easily. It was a YouTube like a second step of algorithm. The engine behind every recommendation. Itu dapat reginasawo. First one input size itu bichite output sawo. Or itu la bichite niche lava basta care itu size. Input, which means video content user behavior interaction watch history search data and device and context. It was our next double digital video content first number 1 point key as a remote channel. Video content which means information derived from video itself. Apni laga video right information pojoli lamba iwa. Itu which includes 1 title, description, text, categories, transcript, visual and audio. Apni land video de itu pal walage. Title zip TV description DDB deck popular deck kanal TV categories gila as a music dance itu van TV transcript itu la translate Korean lyrics TV visual pal rasawali TV or itu one day apni lara itu voice book clear ho one again. Our next say user behavior and interactions. It depends on the data on how user interact with the video such as likes, dislikes, and comments. Ituan kikta ani deksek agila first contento power tissue little watch time visual likes then be visual loudness. Comments tayo ang manu engagement tayo or manu kan safe that bigri in a soul. Amila video share in a Aro itu ase third point watch history and search data. Record of what user have previously watched and what they have searched for on the platform. Apni janiwalay viewers manuhan alak manuhan sao manugan ki bisisay. Itu topic lui inay apne video bonaw nila ni. Noile dek haladan de manuhan ki kundu topic bisi search kore YouTube de. Itu dek hali diwi inay ulit apni la video viral hujawek parte. Point number 4 decisive device and context de la cause. Device type de kiese. Apnilaw viewers kan amilaw video do. Mobile de bisisay na, TV de bisisay na, computer de bisisay ito apni januwalek. Amwela video do 91.7% of on this ayase. Ito orne phone la system de ponaidiwi. Apnila la Android system de kiman version aze. Browser de apni upload kore na app de upload kore. Ito januwalek. Screen resolution, dimensions of the video ito palawalagi. Network connection TikTok tagawalaga mina. Location do amira our video kundu zakadak jayese. Amni ki kundu time de video ali le bishi wiron holy chances. Station type amni evening na, morning na, afternoon. Our connection speed pick palawalagi amila video viral holy garne. Apni kundu timing de upload krede palaw ito januwalagi. Output de man ko linay, mue agedi input explain krisye apni tikpras hailusi janishu lida. Output to dine jogam krulila ase. Recommendations video, recommended video klase. Right video to the right person at the right time. Inehawile more views of wamnige. People will engage more on your channel and which will result in channel growth. Amni itu januwalagi, amni la paratak input, may agide kwa itu power grivi, output tayo jogam krisovo. With your recommendation, it is very important as if for your channel to grow higher and higher. Next is a bang stack here of YouTube algorithm. First go as it understand review amni. Apni ki ilaha investible na say ki grias apni itu understand grivolaya. Second, analyze your performance, which means apni la performance to palas in a piase. Apni la viewers kan apni la video to kushipay na pa itu. First, analyze review itu which day. Apni viewers kan na interest to apni predict review. Tahan dui line din des, dui sabole in des say itu size about ni. The which day apni la video to rank grade na. Tinda points, understand, analyzer, predict visually apnila a video do 1 to 3, 1 to 10 that a ranking I have, it be shit nila a video do recommend grala. Start with alak chakade, alak even in other countries of nila video do recommend grade YouTube algorithm bra. This is the final and last step of how YouTube algorithm works. The journey from uploads to channel growth. Power side will be it which the upload channel be grow which I am sure 100%. First it was it upload a video upload grab the title, description, tag, or thumbnail. Shipalo will like it. Second point, initial check. YouTube bra apnila video check report equal kalti no wala that equal asima may. After that number 3D testing phase the were amila video the chutu creators in the subscriber or non-subscriber okay so report after that performance signal cycle be. Fifth point de go as algorithm decisions. If performance is strong, YouTube recommends to a larger audience. Kwe apni laha video policy will performance policy will YouTube tai ni jor amni laha video to manu shichonge viral readable recommend grade to be 60 wazer wider distributions, which means shown on home page. Matlab do manukan YouTube kola sets up apni laga video down the home page de dikai diwo sword feeds de dikai diwo search box de amila video dikai diwo notification there I will javadi amila video recommend hoijong sopke YouTube jitehi point last point do more growth as a which results in more views, more subscriber, more watch time, fuel further growth. Upload gradam de itu tinta setting way dia mekan get the call leper anai kile video shalamba hoiza or ne. Itu tinta setting do she important as if whenever you upload you do this one. Aram ni najanis yule rukida gbi mo julde ani wall.